Hello friends, today we will be discussing about mean value theorem. It is also known as Lagrange's mean value theorem. The statement of the theorem is let f be a function from a to b to r, a real function such that it is continuous in the closed interval a to b and differentiable in the open interval a to b. Then there exists some c, means at least one c belongs to the open interval such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This is a statement. We'll understand the geometrical meaning of this theorem. Let us have a function y is equal to f of x and it is defined from a to b. So corresponding points, let us say a is a f of a and for b the point is b f of b. Now we have a chord. If you join them, we are having a chord, or also we can say it is a secant. So if you want to know the slope of this secant AB, so we know the slope of a line joining 2 points, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we can say the slope of AB is what? F of b minus f of a by b minus a. Also we know f dash c means the slope of tangent at the point x is equal to c on the curve. This is your f dash c. As per the theorem, f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. So we understand that the slope of the tangent at the point x is equal to c is equal to the slope of secant AB. So now tangent, it means what? The tangent at the point c f of c is parallel, slopes are equal, two lines having same slope means they are parallel, is parallel to the secant between the points a f of a and b f of b. So what we understand now? So we understand that if you are having a function which is defined in a closed interval, which is continuous in the closed interval and differentiable in the open interval, then we will be having at least one point in the open interval where if you draw a tangent at that point which will be parallel to the chord or the secant joining the endpoints. This is the geometrical meaning of Lagrange's mean value theorem or mean value theorem. We will have a question on this. The question is that using mean value theorem, we need to find a point on the curve where the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the curve. We are having a function f of x is equal to under root x minus 2. Now it does not fall in any category where we can use the property and tell that it is continuous and differentiable. So what we are required to do, we will find out the derivative of the function. So derivative is 1 by 2 root x, we know. And also when you examine this in the open interval, you will find that it exists for all the points between 2 to 3. So we can say that the function is differentiable. And also we know if a function is differentiable, it has to be continuous. So we will say that f of x is continuous in the open interval. But we are supposed to say about the continuity in the closed interval. So at the endpoints we'll check the limit. So right hand limit at 2 we find it is giving you 0 and f of 2 is also 0, and left hand limit at 3 we find it is 1 and the value of the function at 3 is also equal to 1. So we find your right hand limit at 2 is equal to f of 2 and left hand limit at 3 is equal to f of 3. So we can say that this function is continuous in the closed interval 2 to 3. So now the conditions, two conditions, continuity and differentiability, are satisfied. So we can use the mean value theorem and then we can say that there exists some point 2 to 3 such that f dash c is equal to f of 3 minus f of 2 by 3 minus 2. Now we have already got the derivative, we will put the value, and this f of 3 and f of 2 values we have already calculated. So we will put the value. So we find that the value of C is 9 by 4. Now we need to check whether this 9 by 4 belongs to the open interval or not. So we observe that it belongs to the open interval. So it means the mean value theorem is verified here. Now we will be using the geometrical interpretation of this mean value theorem. So we have got the point 9 by 4. So at this point we'll find the value of the function f of c. So f of c is what? 1 by 2. So the corresponding point becomes what? C means 9 by 4 and f of c is 1 by 2. So as per the geometrical interpretation of the mean value theorem, we can conclude and say that 9 by 4 comma half is a point on the curve such that the tangent at it, if you are drawing the tangent at it, will be parallel to the chord joining the endpoints of the curve. So this is how we apply the mean value theorem for finding out solving out the questions. Or we can also say, if we are not asked to find the tangent parallel to the chord joining the endpoints and we are only asked to verify the mean value theorem, so we will only restrict ourselves to the point which belongs to 2 to 3. Thank you very much.